people sing, sing the song of angry men. It is the music of a people who will not be slaves again. When the beating of your heart echoes the beating of the drums, there is a life about to start with tomorrow comes.
Some will fall and some will live. Will you stand up and take a chance?